Hello students, in this video we will discuss our next problem of exercise 2a. So let's start. In exercise 2a, question number 7 is given, 7b, there is given 65 crore 19 lakh 42,480. From here you have to find out, and this is the underlying digit. From here you have to find out the period of this underlying digit and the place value of this underlying digit. Clear? So we already discussed about the period and place values in our previous class. So you know that how to find out the period of this underlying digit. This is belongs to in which room? This is 1, 10, 100, 1000 room, lakh room, and this is crore room. So because this 6 is belongs to the crore rooms, that means the period of this digit will be crore 7. CRORES, crore 7. And what will be the place value of this underlying digit? So whenever you find out the place value of any underlying digit, firstly put that digit, and after these digits, how many digit is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 80 will be here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now let's see another example. Now look at question number C. So question number C is given here, 17 crore 42 lakh 18,168. Here the underlying digit is given this 8. So what will be the period of this digit? Now look, this underlying digit is belongs to in which room? In 1000 room. That means the period will be 1007. Understood? Now what will be the place value of this underlying digit? You have to find out the place value of this 8. So that's why firstly you have to put this 8, and left of the digit after 8 will be 0. So how many digit is here after 8? 3 digit. So here will be 3 0 happen. So in this way you have to find out the values of period and place value left of the problems in question number 7. So now let's see question number 8. In question number 8 is given, find out the difference between the place values of this. So look at question number C. Find out the difference between the place values of the two 5s in the given number 56 crore 25 lakh 70,083. So what to do? Firstly you have to find out the place value of this 5, then place value of this 5. Then after finding the place values of these two 5s, you have to do the subtraction of those place values. Clear? So firstly find out the place value of this 5. So what will be the place value of 5? After this 5, how many digit is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then now find out the place value of this 5. So what to do? Firstly put here 5, and left of the digit after 5 will be 0 happen. So how many digits is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now do the subtraction. And here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0, then 5. Now if you do the subtraction, there will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and here is 5, and this bottom one subtract from this 10, this will be 9 happen, then 9, this is also 9, then there will be 4 here. So our answer will be 49 crore 95 lakh 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 94 lakh happen here. So in this way you have to do. Left of the problems is question number 8. Now go to next one, question number 9. So question number 9 here asking you, arrange the following in ascending or descending order. So let's see question number 9b. Here is given 3,48,616. The second number is given 95,949. Third number is given 24 lakh 26,000 24 crore 26,000 26 lakh 16,800, and the last number is 88 lakh 95,919. So you have to arrange this number firstly ascending order, then descending order. So firstly you have to know that what is the meaning of ascending order and what is the meaning of descending order. So what does it means? Ascending order means the number you have to arrange smaller to bigger. This is called ascending order. And what is the meaning of descending order? Descending order means you have to arrange the number bigger to smaller. So let's start. So firstly you have to arrange this number in ascending order. So you have to arrange this number smaller to bigger. So which one is the smaller number? So right here, ascending order are ascending order is, firstly you have to write down the smaller number. So which one is smaller? That is 95,949. This is the smaller number. Then the next smaller number is, the next smaller number here is given 3,48,000, here is given 88,95,000. So which one is smaller? This one is smaller. So write 3,48,616 in the second position. Now the third smallest number, that is nothing but 88,95,919, because this number is given here 24 crore. So obviously lakh is smaller than crore. So you have to put 88,95,919 in the third position. Now the next one is 24 crore 26 lakh 16,800 in the last position. Clear? So this is our ascending order. Now you have to arrange the number in descending order. So right here descending order is is, so what does it means? What is the meaning of descending order? You have to arrange the number now bigger to smaller. So which one is the bigger here? So you have to write down the number from the last, from here. So 24, obviously 24 crore 26 lakh 16,800 is the bigger number. So next bigger number is 88 lakh 95,919. This is the next bigger number. Then 3 lakh 48,616. Then the last one is 95,949. Here, so in this way you have to do left of the problem in question number 9. Firstly, you have to arrange them in ascending order. That means you have to arrange them smaller to bigger. Then you have to arrange the number in descending order. That means you have to arrange the number bigger to smaller. Clear? Now go to next problem. Question number 10. So question number 10 is given, some digits are given. From here you have to make smallest number and a largest number by using these digits. So let's see question number C. Here is given 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the firstly you have to make here the smallest number. So smallest number will be, so whenever you make the smallest number, you have to arrange the digits smaller to bigger. But remember, you can't put 0 in first. Clear? So here asking you find out the smallest number by using these digits. So you have to arrange the number digit in smaller to bigger. Clear? So which one is the smaller number? Obviously 0 is the smaller number, but you can't put 0 in first. So that's why you have to search the next smaller number. So next smaller number is here 1. Then you can put here 0. Clear? Now after 1 and 0, the next smaller number is 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our smallest number. The next one, greatest number or largest number. So whenever asking you find out the largest number, you have to arrange the number bigger to smaller. So which one is the bigger number here? Obviously 7 is the bigger number. So right here 7, then next bigger be 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0. So this is the largest number. Now let's see another example, question number E. So in question number E, the digits are given here 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 0, 4 and 8. So firstly make here the smallest number. Now go to the similar procedure. So whenever you make the smallest number, you have to arrange the digits smaller to bigger, but don't put 0 in first. So that's why you have to search the next smaller number other than 0. So the next smaller number is nothing but here 2. Now you can put here 0. Clear? Now next smaller is 3, then this 4, then 5, then 7, after that 8, then the last one is 9. Here, so this is our smallest number. Now you have to form a largest number. So how to form a largest number? You have to arrange the digits bigger to smaller. Clear? So which one is the bigger number? 9 is the bigger number. Then the next bigger is 8. Then 7, 5, 4, 3, then 2, then at last 0. Clear? So in this way you have to do left of the problems in question number 10. Now let's see question number 11. So question number 11 is given here. Which is largest number? Here asking you a 5-digit number, a 6-digit number, a 7-digit or a 8-digit number. So obviously a 8-digit number is the largest number. So our correct option is here 8-digit number. Another type of problem is given here, not 8-digit number happen only. You have to make 5-digit largest number. So question number A is given here, 5-digit largest number. Now firstly tell me which one is the largest number from 0 to 1, 0 to 9, that is nothing but 9. So because you have to make here 5-digit number, so just put here 5, 9. Clear? Now go to next one. So here asking you make a 8-digit largest number. So how to make it? So because 9 is the largest number, largest 1-digit number, so just put here 8, 9. So this will be a largest 8-digit number form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the largest 8-digit number. Clear? Now go to next one, question number 12. Here asking you find out the 5-digit smallest number. Question number A. So now you have to make 5-digit smallest number. So this time you have to search which one is the smaller number from 0 to 9. So you can tell that 0 is the smaller number, but if you put here 50, this will not be a 5-digit number happen, because if you put here 50, this is nothing but only 0 happen. Clear? This will be converted to 1-digit number. Clear? So that's why you can't put the 0. You can't put the 0 only. Clear? So after 0, which one is the smallest number? From 0 to 1, 0 to 9. This is 1. So write here 1 first. Then you can put here 40. So this will be the 5-digit smallest number happen. Now go to next one, question number B. So here asking you 6-digit smallest number. Now again you can't put 0 in front, so that's why you have to first put here 1, then you can put here 5 zeros. Clear? So this is our 6-digit smallest number. Now in this way you can do left of the problems in question number 11 and 12. Thank you everyone.